Morning guys, it's currently 9:18. I don't feel like doing anything today. Like, I'm so tired. Like, I literally just woke up. So thankfully, it's as if my husband knew. He just told me that he ordered some meals from, there's this lady that whenever we need to host people or whenever we're having any gathering, we always contract her to make, like, to cater for the meals that our guests to eat. So my husband just told me that he placed an order for a meal from her, so she's going to deliver it very soon. It's like I'm literally just waiting for her to deliver the food before I kickstart my day. And then I made rice and sauce yesterday. It's still remaining. I literally don't have to cook today, which I'm so grateful for, because your girl is tired. I'm having serious headache, and this hair is still paining me. The hair is very fine, but hey, when I went to the salon, I asked them hope their hand is not painful, and they said yes. There were three that made the hair. So, but the hair has been so painful. But they used hot water for it, but still, oh my gosh. Today is going to be just like a super slow day. I have some work to get done. Like, there's this vlog I've been editing since last week. I haven't been able to finish editing it. I don't know why. Like, for some reason, last week I lost some kind of motivation for editing my videos and all. Plus, I found a new editing app which I'm still trying to learn how to use, because I've been using Power Director 365 like for over how many years now. For at least 4 years I've been using Power Director 365 to edit all my videos, both the mobile version and the PC version. So, but I just found a new app which I can use, because that Power Director 365, like, every year they increase their subscription rates, and I'm like, let me find other alternatives that I can check out, because I do like the app and I've gotten used to using it since I've been using it for over 4 years. But sometimes it's good to change. Change is good. So I'm trying to check out other apps which I can use to edit my videos. Some is beside me, he's eating. That's why everywhere is quiet. Once it's done now, you see, like, his energy will come up again. So how are you all doing? Oh, I was able to fix the ring light for me, but I'm looking for other lighting options now, because that I noticed that the ring light is no longer as bright as it used to be. If you're knowledgeable in all these video lighting stuff, for content creation, please can you give me suggestions in the comment section of the affordable lighting that I can try for my videos, because I need to get a new light and I don't want to get a ring light again, since I already have a ring light and it's no longer, like, I want to improve the quality of my videos, so I need something that's better than a ring light. Let's go. Don't touch it. Do not touch it. Ongwa, let's go. Transformation in 1, 2. Yeah, we are back. Your boy is looking fresh and nice. See how happy you are. Please, my fellow mothers in the house, how do you get your toddler to brush? Because this one here is always a struggle. It's as if we're always fighting. I use Punch and Judy toothpaste, like children's toothpaste, and his brush is so soft. So I don't understand the reason why he's always like, once the brush enters his mouth, he's screaming. Once you remove it, he's calm. And I'm always gentle. It's either I or his dad that brushes him, and we're always gentle. So I don't know, like, is this a normal thing? Will he outgrow it? I think something is biting him with the way he will be screaming. So please let me know, are there any tips or tricks? I don't know. I'm still new to all this, so please, if you have any tricks for making your toddlers want to brush or look forward to brushing, please let me know, because I'm really open to options. Thank you. Guys, this is my food. This is plantain porridge, and it's so nice.